Hey, morning, Fernando. How are you? Morning, morning. How's everything going? Good morning, everyone. What's going on? Dang, there's a lot of inflation. So, Docu, Docu just had an upgrade and it was consolidating hard on that area. And we kind of covered a lot of times, and I'm a lot of big fan of Docu. And we actually covered this so many times, right? So Docu was really consolidating hard in this area, so it was doing a strong support, and we literally flew from 20 to boom. Look at that. And yesterday they had an upgrade, so boom, literally from 37, so we are at 44, 45. I actually picked up few stock this morning at 42, 43, so they are up a little bit, but yeah. Yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, all good. Like your video from me about Mango into Theta. Yeah, yeah. Fernando, thanks. The thing is, like with Theta, you don't need to worry about it, right? So with here, let's say it has to. Let's say you got 250, 260. Again, if you are in stock, you don't have to worry about time, right? But if it doesn't go this week, maybe you can have a bad news or whatever. If you get Theta right now, like even like 20 or 21, probably for next week, it's pretty good. Like you will collect money no matter what. So again, you don't look at like lot of bigger gains, but smaller gains all adds up. But morning, guys. So good morning. Let's look at a new engine pullback to get in leaps. Looks like it may not happen. It will happen, man. It will always happen. Sometimes it may not happen, but most of the times it happens. So think about it, right? A lot of people, what they said was, so we were here in this area, right? We are 21, 21, and nobody thought like, oh, it's too late. Everybody wanted to, we got to pull back right here to 15. I mean, I added some. I already had some. I had some around right this breakout area, like 15 area, and I added it right then. I mean, you just gotta look, man. We will get pulled back, but today looks like a massive run for NIO. Literally went from 21 to here. It'll come down. What goes up always comes down, man. It's just you need to have a patience. That's the name of the game. But today is, oh my god. NIO is crazy, already 10% up. Same with Tesla. Tesla, Ron Barron, biggest bull for Tesla. He's talking and we are right. Look at that. Tesla is breaking out. And we had that key area. Yeah, we had that key area. Uh, All right. So Tesla looks prime though. 450, 52 should be good. Should with the Ron Baron, I think it can pop a little bit. Tesla can really move today. So what else we have? Somebody said workhorse. So workhorse, all EV stock. I think USPS delayed their whatever the contract, so that's why. But it looks like we are already up pre-market a little bit. Yesterday closed here, so a little bit up. So yeah, almost 2% up. So good comeback. So think about it, right? Workhorse, a lot of people wanted to buy leaps here, right? Right now, probably like good area than this, of course, right? We hold the support like perfectly, and we looks like we bounce back today. So it could be a good one. So always look, the opportunities always knocks, guys. You just need to find. That's all. Opportunity knocks. Opportunities always knocks. You just need to find it. So right here, I would say, and we are already here. This acted as a perfect support. Yesterday would be really good because we had the wick. So if it touched, so slowly scale in. But today doesn't look that bad. We still went to there. So yeah. So what else let's look into others. Okay, all right guys, morning. So workhorse looks good. New JMIA, I'm gonna look into JMIA. I believe they are doing great, but the thing is like nothing is kind of coming down, and we just keep opening gap up, gap up, gap up. There's a huge gap right here from here to here, but yeah, been really strong. Yesterday would have been really good at 1165, but man, this thing is just going every day up. So a lot of interest coming in. So I think we may see the 20s again soon, because last time it rose really well. And GME. Okay, GameStop had a huge Hall candle. And another Hall candle sell up, but kind of consolidating, but up again. But I believe with the uh, PlayStation and Xbox, it would be good buy still. So if you look at their monthly, right? So somebody pointed out actually. So I don't know, was it the PlayStation release? They usually like bump up like literally up, and that was the before. So yeah, 2006 or 7 somewhere release. So I don't know. I wanna see PlayStation release. So a lot of those event impact, right? So okay. 94, 95, 95. So 2000, 2000. Jeez. Not the console. So I want to see 2, 3, 4. So 2 was 2000, 3 was 2006, 4 was 13, 6 and 13, 6 and 13. So 6 and 13, if you look at the chart, yeah, around 6. So right around 6, we had a huge move up. Wow, right around 6 and 13, huge move up. Wow, wow. So are we like down here? So it could be actually good. Look at the interest too, really increased volume. So you got to look at all those things. And yeah, anybody interested in my I have a link. So a lot of people got in, and they said good thing about it, so check it out. I have all the theta strategy. I'll add it to like when do I buy leap, what kind of things I look into it, and someone stocks and high growth stocks. And so I have a lot of content around theta, like I'll show you exactly what do you look and how to buy and what do you do even like something is not working, right? A lot of times, like if the trade is not working, let's say you lose like 50%, you can even make it break even, right? Break even means like you didn't lose anything, so you can actually adjust your trade for those strategy. With options, just buy callings and puts, it's really hard to adjust, but with other strategy you can actually fix it. But let's look into what others request I have. And the link in bio if anybody is interested. But okay, cool. NIO pullback. Looks like we are in this thing. So today, yeah. 2 weekly new wake up upgrade. Took weekly new. That's awesome, Jerry. That's awesome. Congrats. Oh, that's awesome. So, Angel, like, if you are doing good, then you don't need to trade whole day. Just trade 2 days and do your other things. Like go outside, walk, hike, run, drink, whatever you like. I mean, have a snap. So I'm gonna look into snaps. I like a snap. I think it had a nice cup and handles on, like, let's not do monthly here. Let's do daily. Yeah. Nice saucer, not even a cup but saucer. No, yeah, but you can call it handle. One thing they say is like cup should be a little up, but nice saucer, which is a really good consolidation. One thing you notice, right? Same thing did docu did, right? It was console. As long as you hold this support, that's good. So once we get some momentum or good news, you can get in. So exactly what docu was doing. It was up, but it was just consolidating there for a few days. Then boom, right? It's a good sign. It's holding this support pretty well. So that's a good sign. It's above support. So not much actions, but once it breaks, it can really break really good. So literally it can go from 26, 27 to 30, which is like what, 12, 15%, right? So that's awesome in terms of options. But you are correct. Really good. They call it saucer, this thing, but good consolidation. I like this. Usually this pattern breakout goes really great move. This one has not moved but consolidated pretty well. Okay, snap. What are thoughts on about selling naked puts? Maybe selling NIO at 20. I mean, selling puts, you will be assigned 21. Shouldn't it? Yeah, not bad. I mean, if you have money to get NIO, yeah, you can do that. But if you don't have money and you do lot of those, right? So if you do, let's say if you have 2000, that's okay, one doesn't matter. But let's say you are doing like 10 of those, and I do some naked, but I pick it. So I'm doing pretty much I haven't lost. I lost, not even lost. I made money, but it did touch the strike price, so I had to buy back. But I've been running some on. I was actually doing strangle naked call and puts, so you can do that, Fernando. Good morning, Raj. It is good idea to have call NIO 22. Thanks, man. I mean, NIO call, I like it, but I wouldn't really get into it. I can get in day trade. I'll day trade, but leaf strike, I wanna cheaper, right? I don't wanna expensive. So that's there. Um, so yeah. So usually, as I said before, right? So I like this snap. I like NIO, but I'm not good. I don't buy when it's high, right? So I won't buy leaps. I want to look at the opportunity. For example, net, it's doing great. It's 59, but I didn't get in here. I got my leaps right around 33, 34 when everything was silent. That's when I get in. It was kind of range bound, and I got in here. It even went drop. I didn't sell it. It came back again. I added few more, and look at that. I hold it and break out, and once you see, that's why breakout I like it. So some good breakout just within 3 sessions, right? 3 days it went from 3 to like 60. That's huge risk reward, right? So I think it's like where was, is it I gotta look into all those. Where is that risk reward thing? Whatever, it's somewhere. Yeah, it's all. Yeah, that's almost like what, 27% in within like few days, right? So within 3 bars, though, that's a huge return. 3 bar, 27%. You get in, get out, and you made like tons of money. So yeah. But let's get morning. Yeah, eBay looks primed. I like eBay. Let's look at eBay. Let's look at eBay. So we are right here. So I think we may head to 50. Yeah, that's where the big resistance is, like 58, 59 area. So 57. So still there's some room. So if the market looks pretty strong, if you break that, that will be good. But I can see like right around 58, I would say 58, right? So almost there, but we can actually touch here. So if you look at that, that's been good resistance and some good resistance, and market opens, looks good. So SPY is pretty straightforward. Let's look at some of my positions. I may close some position. Uh, so Doku has been going down, up. Tesla is 53. So Docu is struggling around that area. Had a nice upgrade, but still strong, still strong. So let's look at what else you want. Okay, morning, guys. Yeah, Netflix had an upgrade too. Netflix looked really. One thing is like it's been up, really up, up. Look at that. Look at that. I was talking about just below. This is the kind of area. Same with the Tesla area of confluence, right? So this area, key area, kind of breakout, and looks like we broke out of right here. Oh man. So when the trend lines and this support resistance kind of go, that's a good key area. So 50. I was actually yesterday. If you were yesterday, I was telling so many times 50 would be a good one. I didn't get in. I totally forgot about it later on, but I should have alerted. Well, shit happens. But man, look at that, 57 to almost 60, 70, and that's all-time high. So about to break it. So 75 would be huge. Man, great. Almost. So yeah, looks strong though, man. Once it breaches this, I think we are going like a pretty 600 next. I mean, it's pretty really steep. We probably maybe it's a double top too, so we may consolidate, but looks pretty strong though. Today overall everything looks very strong. So what else we have? Okay, please talk about this. When do you think it might be a green day? Red? Looks like a green day, man. It looks like a green day. Snap leaps not bad, Peter. Not bad. They're not that. They have not went up that much. So yeah. Morning, Cassandra. Let's look at his space. Let's look at his space. Yeah, we opened up here, so we are space, we are still range bound, so we are in this range 21, 22, and 20 something, almost 21. So 21, 22, we are in a range bound territory. I don't see much action today, but a lot of things. What happened is like people are looking for opportunity, right? So they see upgrades and everything for Netflix and Tesla and everything, so they kind of go there and they basically forget about this stocks, right? So that's where the money is going, money is flowing. So yeah, so if you are day trading, you gotta kind of look at those. So basically we are range bound. I don't think nothing special. If you are up nicely, whatever your price target, you can sell it, Imish. Apple is basically sell the news. I really don't think Apple kind of basically it's like the event is done. Everybody know what's coming on. Nothing revolutionary. Added some cameras and some pricing. So um, I maybe we'll fill this gap. We have gap on the downside, right? So we have gap this 19 to this, but I don't see anything exciting for Apple. Just same or same. Shravan triple BY. Oh yeah, Bath and Beyond, right? So yeah, they've been doing. I think they had a great earnings. So they had a huge, great earnings. So they bumped up with the earnings that they've been doing really good. Basically, all the anything online, anything e-coms, they are e-com and everything's. But yeah, they've been look pretty strong. But I wouldn't really get in here without. I don't think they have. Did they have some catalyst? I don't know if they have a catalyst. Maybe look into it, but just too high in my opinion. Hey, so Avik, so that's a long-term investment, right? So look into your, can you make it like 10% every year? If you make beat that, that's good. But ISPY, all those index are great investment. Like you cannot go wrong. On the long term, you will win, right? So that's guarantee. With the stocks, you can be wrong. If you know what you're doing, you can actually make a lot of money. But if you don't know, most people lose money if they're buying a stock. Like 80% of the people lose. So are you in that 20% or not? So you just need to find out. I wouldn't really buy Apple right now. Netflix looks really strong, and CGC, all the with stock there look. Yeah, congrats trader, if you got it. Yeah, Intel is actually ramping up. I was looking into Intel. Oh yeah, look at that. It's slowly filling that gap. So I told a lot of times, right? It's not gonna fill that gap like in a one day. It's a huge gap unless they need like massive news. But look at that, slowly heading into it. So as soon as we started it, now it's acted as a good support. Like twice, 2 days, it acted as a support. Then we slowly started. This is good. I have a leaps in this. So I got in like right when it dropped hard. So somewhere like fifth, like some 48, 49, somewhere around here. Yeah, it's been a while. We tried again, then we are trying, but I think we'll definitely go there. We'll definitely go 60 though. Literally, look at that. We have a lot of a big gap. Slowly, we are slowly curling up. Looks good. Huge gap there. So I think it's gonna take some while. Maybe have some red date, but we are. So if you're doing like 2 months out, would be good. 2 3 months out. Slow. Even if you get a spreads for 2 3 months out, like 50 50 55, probably those are cheaper, probably not too expensive. So it's a good idea. So if you don't want to take a lot of stress and whatnot. Another is pins. It's really curling up, man. I may add some pins. Really acting as that's acting as a good resistance. It's not moving. So when that happens, it moves one way or the other. It's pins. It's setting up for good. Yeah. No, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm same 35 or 40%. That somewhere around 35 40% yesterday. So probably a little bit up. Haven't checked, but yeah. Let's look at some of my. Um, oh shit. Docu. I just got in Docu and sold it. So that was good. That was pretty quick. So I guess I sold at the good time. What's the high? Oh wow, it went 375. Jeez, could have made more, but oh well. What about Tesla? Tesla is doing good. Okay. Tesla is going slowly up. Tesla doing really good. So what do you guys got into? I got into docu and already sold it almost 30 40. So I got in like two. I have a stock too. Well, stock doesn't matter really. I can. One thing good about Webull is you can buy stock in the morning. So what I did was like I wake up morning like I woke up and I was like I just put an order for uh, 242 and it executed. So yeah, you can get some good money doing that actually. So Docu is kind of struggling in that area. I mean, not struggling, but yeah, just sold Docu too. Sold the stock too. Oh, that stock that looks good. DKNG is looking pretty decent. Hmm, Pfizer. Okay, Boeing is a little bit up too. The XX is like lowest ever. Okay, that's good. Apple is kind of doing good. It's good. eBay, Boeing, it's good. Net. Yeah, looks another great day. Let's look at NIO. How is NIO doing? Maybe good day trade setup today. Yeah, NIO is doing fantabulous. Oh man, look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that NIO beauty. Man, NIO is like not even consolidating. Oh wow. Well, kinda. You could have literally got in at 24. Right here. Breakout. NIO triangle. I don't like this color. What should I choose? No, I don't. Maybe this one? Yeah. Look at that. You've been flying. Yeah, clearly. Right at the VWAP, and look at the volume. It's crazy, crazy. How's Tesla doing? No, Tesla is. Oh, it went to 57 and then slowly coming back to VWAP. But I see a lot of red day for a lot of tickers. So mostly NIO, and I think Netflix is doing pretty well. Netflix is kind of selling off too. What do we call? So mostly just the NIO, man. Yeah, even Workhorse is kind of getting down. Mostly NIO and Docu, I think. Yeah, Docu is kind of all over too. So what do we have for? Oh, it's just not doing. Is it up? Yeah, Snow is also in very tight range. Nice breakout. Man, this thing just going 8% every freaking day. Oh, now almost about to fill the gap. Yes, I did received and I replied, Adan. So I'll message you. Cool, guys. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. Other than that, I will be saying goodbye. But yeah, thanks for coming. Now enjoy the video. Like, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to comment in the video. And also, any video you want me to put it, just let me know. All right. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thanks. Have